Hi there and welcome back to my channel. In the previous video, we've looked at the different options for setting up your online presence. We look at social media platforms, Google business profile, as well as the way to set up your website. And we also discuss the factors you need to consider when choosing an online platform. And in this video, I'm going to show you one by one. So I'm going to take each item and show you how to create it. So the first item I'm going to walk you through is how to set up your Google business profile. I'm going to walk you through how you can do that both on the mobile and also on the web. Google Business Profile is a free tool provided by Google to help businesses create a listing on Google Search and Google Maps. It allows businesses to manage their online presence, connect with customers, and share updates. So to launch Google Business Profile, you need a Google account, meaning you need to create a Gmail account and log in. Once you log in, for example, now I'm using a Chrome browser and I've already logged in using the browser. You can come to the top right hand corner here and click on the apps launcher. So you'll see different Google apps. We have Google Search, Business Profile, Maps, YouTube, Drive, and all the Google tools. So here we have the Business Profile. You can click on it and it will take you directly to Google profile if you have an account, or you can just make a Google search. You can type google.com/business and it will take you to the Google business profile. So with it, you can turn people who find you on Google search and maps into new customers. You can add your phone number, direction, website, address, opening hours. It's free to create, easy to manage, and you can personalize it with photos, posts, and more. You can add essential information like your phone number, as we mentioned already, operating hours. You can share photos. You can optimize it with your business logo, cover image. You can show who you are, all the information people need to know about your business. And one interesting thing is that people go online to check what others are saying about you to decide whether they want to relate with you or not. So you can encourage your customers who enjoy doing business with you to drop reviews, positive reviews about your business. You can create post offers and events, respond to reviews, post answers, frequently asked questions. You can answer them. You can show what you offer using Google My Business. You can see analytics. You can be able to know how customers find your business, discover what keywords people search for to find you, and get insights on the online behavior of or online performance of your business. So let's click on manage. Once we click on manage, we'll be redirected to start creating our business accounts. So let's name this demo restaurants, create business with this name. Let's click on continue, and we can decide what type of business our restaurant is. Is it an online retail? Is it a local store, a service business? So we are selecting an option. In this case, let's try this and proceed. You can select category. In this case, it's a restaurant. And once you start typing, you see different categories to go for. So you can click any, or you can just type and proceed. So once you start entering the details, you can help Google present your business to people when they are searching for keywords. Let's say someone is looking for a restaurant near me. Google will be able to list your business on the list. And when someone is looking for a particular dishes, for example, a particular type of food, local diets, and what have you, Google will present your business to the person searching it. So you can go ahead and fill all these things to get your business presented to on the search engine result page. To access Google Business Profile through the mobile app, open the Google Maps application on your mobile device. Click on the contribute option at the bottom of the screen. Select add place. Click on add your business to Google for free. You will be directed to the Google Business Profile creation page, where you can start adding your business information like name, category, location, and contact details. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post new video.